Okay, so here I've got all my music books, notes, song words, here on all these files. And this is what I used to bring to the gig. So I was looking for an app that I could just bring this to the gig. And I think I found the perfect app. So we're going to take a look at that today. So here we go. Okay, so this app is called Unreal Book, done by a guy called Aaron Nielsen. We have it up here now on the computer, the red version with the red on it here, like you see here is the one version that you want. And it requires iOS 16 or later, so it'll run here on my iPad 8. So I got my iPad 8 here, and this is the version I'm going to download. Now, just before I do that, there's also a blue version. If you have an iPhone, this will run on your iPhone, and this requires 10.3 or later. So I've downloaded the red one here. So this is the one you want, this version, and it just costs $12.99, and you can convert that to euro or whatever country you're in. One-off payment, and you have the app. So now we're going to take a look at the app now on the iPad, and we're going to get in there, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. And at the end I'm going to do the MIDI as well, and show you how to set all that up. Okay, so we're going to go over here to the iPad, and we're going to open Unreal Book. So we click on the icon, and it opens up, and instantly here you get your song. Now, just about the songs, you have to put all your songs, all your chord charts. So if you're playing keyboard and you might want to call up chord charts, or any type of music charts, or written music indeed, with staff, you can make them into PDF files. So I have a little video on I'll leave it at the end of the video on how to convert a file into a PDF file. It's a short little video just explaining how to do that. On a computer, you don't need any special software to do it. So when you have all your files in PDF, then you drop them onto your iPad into the program, and they'll all appear here. As we can see, you bring up songs, all files, and then you'll see they all come up here in alphabetical order. So it'll put all your songs here in alphabetical order, and if you call any song, the song will come up. Now, from all your songs in here, you can make a playlist. So I have some playlists. So here you'll have all your songs. In the middle, if you click there, then this will get your playlists. And if you clicked in on a playlist, your playlist will come over here. So this then is my playlist, okay? Right? Now, click up here, you get all songs. You can make a playlist from all your songs. Then you get your playlist here, whatever playlist you want to make. Open your playlist, and then when you click over here on this side, this will give you your songs. And you can see my live set and everything here, right? And you can color code all the different categories, or however you want to lay this out, okay? So I'm in alphabetical order here at the moment, but I could set this up different, and you can see there that all the songs, so we'll say Imagine John Lennon, and there it comes up, alright? Simple enough. Now so let's just open, we'll go back here and we'll open so we'll say we'll open this. Okay, so here you can see I have writing on the screen. Okay, so when you're up here, you can go to the pencil, and you can bring up the pencil, and you can select whatever color you want the pencil, and you can write on the iPad to take notes, change a key, write, or you could be in rehearsals and someone says, I don't like the key of that song, you could change the key there, write it in, take a note, whatever you want to do. So the fact that you can write directly on iPad into the program, and that is saved. As you can see here, all this is saved. So just close out of that. So you can see here, all this is saved. So I didn't like this key here, so I changed that key. I put in A, and then I have here 2 intro breaks. And whatever you want to write in, ending 2, okay? So that's corresponding here to my keyboard. Now, if you're wondering what this is the Ketron Midj Pro keyboard in a box. And I connect the MIDI keyboard onto this. Now, we're not minding that today. I just want to show you this program and what this program can do. So, there's MIDI implementation in this program. So just say I've got my song here. I've got my registration set up. Now this could be your guitar pedals. It could be patches on a sound module or something you want to bring up when you're playing the song. And you can control it all from the one program. So you can set up here MIDI buttons to do different things. Okay, so there's 2 sections of the MIDI. So there's a file MIDI, there's Bluetooth MIDI, and you can set it up over here. But if you set up this MIDI on this side, every time you change the page, it'll send the MIDI command. Now sometimes you mightn't want that because you mightn't want your machine or your patches or whatever you have whatever you're controlling via MIDI, you may not want that to change as you're changing a page here. So the second MIDI is over here. Not there, no. Here. So here you can make a MIDI and it comes up here in a MIDI button. Right? So here is the MIDI button then on the screen. So if I hold this down, you can just see. So there I got my MIDI where I can, my program change, control and all that, and I can put in the commands that I need to change whatever I want to change. Okay, now that's worked on the MIDI number, the 1 to 127, 0 to 128 and so on. I will do another thing on the MIDI thing, but I just want to show you the program in this demo on what this program can do. And I'll just show you the MIDI on another day how to set that up. But there you can set up buttons. You can also call up your sounds. So we'll just stay here now. I've got blue suede shoes. I've got my iPad here. My iPad is here connected wirelessly. So my iPad is connected wirelessly via 5-pin MIDI using this. This is the MIDI master, MIDI, what's it called? WIDI. It's the CME WIDI master wireless. So I have that plugged in the back of this, and the iPad is connected wirelessly, and then I can send my MIDI commands. Now you can connect your iPad however you want to, whatever you're trying to control, and then you just come along here and you put in the program changes and whatever to change, whatever you want to change. So, just to demonstrate just on there what that can do. So just I've got my blue suede shoes, I've got my registration, which I'm using on this setup in here, and I want to set this song up to play it. So I just touch the little button and you see here it's changed. Just brought up my blue suede shoes, so then here I can just play. And I have my song set up and ready to go. I've got my words, lyrics here, and then I can change instruments. So rather than me pressing a button here to go into a voice, and now I have grand piano here selected as the first voice, So we'll say if I want piano and string, I press the piano and string, then you see the piano and string comes up. Now you can see here that the MIDI button, so let's just do another one. So let's just play, the style is playing there now. Now these are style files that are playing, right? With the bass and the drums, and then I can control with the chords. So it's an arranger function, and I'm playing live, playing arranger function as I go along. If I want to select, we'll say take a break in the middle, and I want to do, I've got a horn swell here. So when I hit that, it takes me to the brass section here. It brings up the horn swell, and there I got my brass. And then when I got in a lead finished in the middle of the song, I want to fall back again onto my piano and strings. So I hit the piano and strings. It goes to my piano section, brings up my piano and strings. Now, you can program whatever you want inside here in this app to control whatever piece of gear you're trying to control. So this could be, if you're a guitar player, this could be, we'll say, guitar effects, patches. There's no reason why you couldn't control your vocal harmonizer, anything that can receive MIDI and that you can connect the iPad to it. You should be able to control using the MIDI codes and numbers, okay? So this is a great program, and the good thing is that you can have all your songs here in any way you want. You can also have your registration in here. In my case, when I'm pulling up my songs, I can make that registration bank any length I want, and I don't have to worry about, well, I want to do this song first or this song first or this song next to make up a playlist, would just say for an example. So I have all my songs in here in alphabetical order, and I make my playlist off this. So for an example, so just say in here I have that playlist called up here with my live set and everything on it, and just say I want to go in and edit the playlist, right? And click over here, click away, and then you go into your little plus sign, and then you see here you've got all these things. Modify set list, you can make a new set list, you can add a current song to the set list, you can add a current song to another set list, create a list from a set list, and so on. So just say I want to modify this set list. If I click in the set list, you get up this. Here are all the songs that I've put in this playlist or set list, whatever you want to call it. Those are the songs that are in the songs. And then you've got a little arrow here. So if I want to add on any song here, I just click on the arrow, the song will come over onto this side, and then I save it. Now, if I put a song over and I want to change the order here of the songs, I can just grab the little, see now, can I do it here or not? And grab the song like that, and I can move the song up and down, okay? And I can drop it in wherever I want to drop it in the list. I can remove a song from the list by just selecting it like that, and then delete. So you can delete up here and so on. And you can do other things in here as well, but that's the main thing I use this for putting the songs from your song list to make a playlist. And then when you've that finished, then you save it. And that playlist then becomes available here when you click in the middle here, right? So at the moment there I have all songs Ketron. So this is what I've done here in the Ketron. So it tells me here all songs Ketron with the name of that playlist. It'll be whatever name your playlist that you have made will be. And it's telling me here my live set, so I can come back in here. When I'm in here then I can change the color. So just say here I've got black, and then I've got, yeah, so just say, okay, we'll try another one. just I've got Creep here from Radiohead, okay, my own version of it. And I want to change the colour. So I just pull here and you get MIDI no colour, and then you click on the colour, and then you get up this box with the colours. And then you pick whatever colour you want, and it's done. And you can do that to lay out to help you when you're making your playlist, so that you can see here, okay, green. So that helps visually when you're on a gig or playing, that you can actually see the different songs. So at the moment I just these songs laid out in alphabetical order, and each colour is a different, we'll say G is in blue, and F is in purple, and so on, and green. Okay, so you get the idea, right? So that's just a quick little rundown on this program. It's called Unreal Book. Get the red version of it. It's only $12.99, whatever that converts into in your money. You buy it once, you have it. Works great on your iPad. And even if you're not using the MIDI implementation part of it, and you just want something that you can have to pull your songs up, just say you're playing acoustic guitar live, and you want something to pull up your songs quick, and maybe have a playlist, make a playlist on the fly, adjust your playlist, adjust the songs how you want to play them. It's a great little program, and I'm just doing this myself. I was looking for a long time for a program, and I found it very difficult to find anything. There was other programs, and you bring the song up, and then the song would go on a different side, and you couldn't get it to fill the page, and it was just a nightmare. This program is so simple, and yet so powerful. So if you need something like this, take a look at it, and I think you'll be happy enough with it. And that's my little video for today. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll be doing more, and I'll probably be doing some on the Ketron program and this, and I have lots of other good videos coming up. I have I'm doing one, the digital mixing desk. I'll probably do that one next, and I'll probably do more on the MIDI and WEDI and whatever these things are. I'll do more on these as well, and things to help you out there. So I'll see you all again. If you do like this sort of content, please subscribe to my channel, and it'll be much appreciated. Bye.